I heard there was a secret chord that David played and pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do you? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, minor fall and a major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw a bathing on a roof, a beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to her kitchen chair, she broke your throne and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. And baby, I've been here before. I've seen this room, I've walked this floor. I used to leave alone before I knew you. I've seen you fly on a marble arch, but life is not how picture remorse. And it's cold and it's broken. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. But there's time, what you let me know what's really going on below. But now you never showed that to me, do you? I remember when I moved near you, and Holy Dove was moving too, and every breath we drew was hallelujah, 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 well, maybe there's a God above, but all I ever learned from love was how to shoot somebody who outdrew you. And it's not a cry that you hear tonight,